We just unboxed the matrixing welder that they sent over to us to try out, so thanks so much to them for partnering with us. And my dad was honestly surprised by how much it did come with. It came with everything laid out and labeled. It has the wire feeder, cables, torch, ground clamp. The whole setup looked way more professional and heavier duty than we expected right out of the box. The first thing that caught my dad's eye though is that big 4.3-inch LCD screen. It's super clear and bright so you can see everything right there in front of you. My dad started with stick welding since that's what he's most familiar with. He went straight into it, no complaints about arc stability or messy starts. He could really tell the machine had some smart control going on because the weld bead looked really consistent without him constantly fighting it. After that, he swapped over and started loading the wire for MIG. The wire feed system is surprisingly beefy. It has a 40-watt motor and pushes fast, up to like 550 inches per minute, so it doesn't feel like one of those lightweight hobby machines. It's very heavy duty. Once the wire was in, that LCD screen really showed its value. We just picked the material and wire, and it automatically matches the voltage, wire speed, and amperage for you. My dad was laughing because he's used to turning a bunch of knobs and guessing, but this thing practically sets itself. The dual pulse feature is really what makes this thing feel really high end. On 220 volt, it unlocks both pulse and double pulse modes, so even on thinner aluminum, it lays down a bead that looks like it came off a TIG welder. Low splatter, smooth arc, and honestly very forgiving if you're not a pro. So far, he's really impressed with it, and more importantly, my dad's already claimed it as his welder, which means it's officially approved. So he loves it. We hope you love it too, and I hope this video helps.